A question about the backend API automation related now, Ashik. So, how do you perform API testing using Cypress? Can you give us just a walk through a specific
Sure.
endpoint?
Yes, API testing in Cypress involves the CRUD command to make the HTTP request and validate the response. In my Bakeron API testing project, I use the Cypress for the API testing by using the CRUD command to get the get, post, put, and delete. So in my project, at first I did the admin logging, like the endpoint is the admin/login. I hit the post request for this one, and I also did some assertions like the response status should be 201 because it's a post request. Then I have the response time that it should be under 2 seconds because we want that the API is running smoothly without any delay. Then we also use the assertions like the message should be the login successfully. And I also use that to add more stuff, add stuff, then get the stuff, then update the stuff, then the delete the stuff. These all are the API HTTP requests, or you can say the CRUD operations, CRUD CRUD operations. And why actually did it? This approach help us quickly to identify and the resolve issues, improving the readability and the performance of our API.
Got it. Thank you.